What exactly is it with the time 5 a.m.? The internet is practically littered with 5 a.m. productive morning routines. Does this mean that to be productive you have to wake up at 5 a.m.? Well, in this video, I'm going to find out for myself what exactly happens at 5 a.m. So stick around to the end to hear my conclusion on if this will be beneficial for your life. So, if you're unfamiliar with the that girl concept, basically, that girl or that guy is the best version of yourself. And this is my that girl morning routine, which is basically what the best version of myself will be doing every 5 a.m. in the morning. I literally did not want to get out of my bed. Like, I legit, I don't know whether it was a dream or, well, I don't know if it could ever be reality, but I literally felt like someone like slightly aggressively tapping my back, because I was like, oh, I can just do this tomorrow, I don't need to do this today. But then I'm just glad I'm awake. However, I'm awake. I can't really explain it, but I'm awake. So, yeah, I just washed my face. I'm about to go do devotion. Usually, I would do devotion on my bed before coming down, but it's not very effective in the sense that I am not fully awake when I start, and then I'm like half in or like quarter in before I'm fully awake. So I really want to calm down, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then I'm fully awake to actually be present during devotion. So yeah, let's go do devotion. So I know a lot of people drink coffee or matcha in the morning, but I find that drinking water just really keeps it purifying and nice. So that's my cup of water for this morning. According to the media, there are so many benefits of reading in the morning. Just really activates your brain and keeps you motivated. So I found this plan where you read the Bible through the entire year, and that is what I'm following. It's just so nice to keep track of yourself, and if you miss a day, you'll know because it won't tick. And you'll just be able to get it all over. And what I actually do is listen to the audio. The audio version, you can see how long it will take you to go through an entire passage, and that will just help you to really plan your time and stay motivated. Like I said earlier, there are so many benefits of reading, and when millionaires do something every single morning, you should know that there is something in that. So I think it's a very good habit to develop. Reading something in the morning is just definitely going to be a game changer. Now, I don't know about you, but I love coming home to a clean bed. And because I'm staying up long, if I accidentally come down from this place without arranging my bed, then that's it. I'm not going to arrange it till I'm back from school and coming back from classes, a full day of classes to a cluttered bed. That's just not what I want to be doing. So I try as much as possible to arrange my bed every single morning before I go down. Now, I know that this looks kind of pathetic, but I try actually to do everything up there before I come down because the likelihood of me going back up is not really strong in the morning. So, that is my strange looking exercise routine. Exercise in the morning is it just makes you feel so fulfilled, like you've done so much, you've accomplished so much just by moving your body, and it really helps wake you up. So yeah, that is my realistic exercise routine. I know it doesn't look like much, but it does the work, I think. There is something so protocol about coming home to, clean decks and just being so fully ready to begin another part of the day. So here's me cleaning up my space so I can come back happy, because the stress of just leaving it all and then coming back in the evening, what are the likelihoods of me cleaning up in the night? So yeah, better to do it in the morning. Like, even if you don't have enough time to, properly get everything nice up looking, just try to arrange your bed. That's a game changer. Just that simple. Arranging your bed. It's just something so nice knowing that you've accomplished something. So, I'm currently going for devotion. So guys, I'm about to do my skincare and I was just going to use face scrub. So it's charcoal. No! Oh man! We talked about growth. How growth is a part of life, and as we are right now, as a child you grow without really knowing, but now growth has to be intentional, especially when it comes to growing in your mental capacity, your relationship with other people, and spirituality. what I ended up doing with my hair. I don't know, it looks kind of ridiculous, but yeah, that's how I'm going to school. Nobody should talk to me about it. So right now I'm completely ready for school. And I'm going to give you a breakdown of what I felt about this challenge. I woke up at 5. It was a struggle, but I was able to get up, thankfully. And it's been such a productive day. I've had and accomplished so much. I wasn't able to study before school, which I almost never actually do, unless it's a very desperate situation. So, my conclusion for this challenge is that it's a good one and you should try it. Maybe next time I'm going to be trying waking up at 5 a.m. for an entire week, but just for one day, and I can assure you that it's a very highly productive way to begin your day. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. and I get like half of these things done, but I'm always rushing and forgetting some stuff. So I totally encourage it and I totally am recommending it for you to just try it out for maybe 2 days or one day like I did, and comment what your observation were, what you learned, if you liked it or not. I think living like you are already that best self is the best way for you to become your best self. So think of what your best self will do in the morning and just do it. And I believe that everything is going to be okay. You are going to achieve all your goals, and your endeavors and your efforts will never ever be a waste. So just don't give up, keep going, and everything is going to be alright. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all the support I've been getting. I want you to like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't, and look forward to other challenges coming your way. I guess you can say that I'm that girl today, at least for this morning. And thank you so much for watching.